after you do this, I want you to be like, you honeys could never. Very Diana Ross. I'm coming. I want the world to know. Hey my boos, it's your girl StacieWo. Welcome back to my channel. And again, yes honey, I am giving you Diana Ross, honey. I'm feeling myself. So if you want to see how I created this cool green gold look, make sure you keep on watching. For my new boos that's just seeing me, hey baby, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell button either, because you do not want to miss what your girl got coming for you, okay? So with that being said, we're not going to do too much ranting and raving because I got some good news to tell y'all, okay? While I'm doing my makeup. So we're going to jump right into this video. So first, I'm going to start off with moisturizing my face. I've been in love with this Hello Hydration Cream by e.l.f. It just feels so good on the skin. Like, I've just been loving this. Like, seriously. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna moisturize this skin real good. Okay, guys. So next, I'm going to be jumping into primer. And for primer, I'm going to be going back to my Clean Slate Smoothing Primer by Tarte. This is something that I just can't stop using. Can't stop, won't stop, okay? This is my shot right here, baby. Like, this right here is where it's at. You know what I'm saying? So next, I'm going to be jumping into my Dark Deep Studio Fix Perfecting Powder. I have been lately missing this step, and I don't know why, because this step really makes sure foundation really looks so much better. You know, I got this from Jackie. You know, I said, oh, I'm missing steps, boo. Gotta get it together. You feel what I'm saying? I'm definitely going to be dabbing this all over my face. I just use a damp beauty blender. I'm going to be jumping into my NARS foundation. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So guys, this week has been crazy. God has been so good. Come on, Jesus. God is really showing out, okay? He is showing up and showing out. I'm just totally grateful. I just know for a fact that staying grounded and doing hard work and just working hard will definitely pay off. So for my boos out there that's working hard and they like, oh my God, ain't nothing going on. God got you, boo. God got you. Figure dig what I figure dig, oh, you better, okay? So I'm going to be taking my NYX foundation brush. Y'all already know the drill. You know how we do. We spray the face and we pack that all in there, you know? So I dressed another celebrity.
Another one.
And a major celebrity. Like, oh my God, I'm so excited. I thank God so much. Like, seriously. I dressed Cardi B, y'all. Oh. I'm so excited because not only did I dress her, like, she tagged the friend. Now I'm going to be jumping into eyebrows. So I went and bought, because I did not get a chance to go to Sephora, y'all, so I had to go to a drugstore. So I picked up this Maybelline New York Brow Ultra Slim pencil. This is in the color brown. So I'm going to try this out. I'm very excited. This is looking real ashy. I don't know how it looks on the camera. I'm not feeling it. I'm going to be taking Rumor 5 and Rumor 6 base, and I'm going to clean up under my eyebrows. Clean that right on up. You know what I'm saying? Ow. This has been my secret weapon, y'all, as far as blending. I like P. Louise, but I still have to put powder to make sure I blend good. So with this, that allows me to blend really good, is the e.l.f. 16-hour CAMEO. So I just use a teeny bit and put it all over my eye. And I'm gonna go back in with that same Real Technique brush and just blend that all over my lid. So now we're going to be jumping into the palette. So I'm going to be using the Try by Juvias Place palette. What I'm going to be starting off with is cute like lime green, light green, called Tootsie. But yes, y'all, I was so excited that I dressed Cardi. She is somebody that I've been wanting to dress for a long time, and she looked amazing, of course, because our stuff is amazing. I'm definitely going to put the link back down below for my booth, so you can definitely shop, okay? And you can definitely get the look. If you want to get the look, if you want to look like Cardi, baby, you can definitely shop the look, okay, on my website. I definitely want to know what's been going on with y'all too, so hit me up in the comments. Let me know what good things that's been going on with you. What's been going on with you? StacieWo want to know, okay? All right, now since I have that down, I'm going to be jumping into San, this cute color right here. And I'm going to be laying that really lightly all into my crease. Word of the day, because I always want to give a word to my boos. Put yourself first sometimes, you know? You have to put yourself first and value yourself. Love yourself so much where you can also love that person the same way. You can't love anybody if you're not loving yourself. And that means your children, your family, your significant other. You can't really love nobody if you're not loving yourself. So, StacieWo word of the day. That's the word of the day. Love yourself. Value yourself. You matter, you know? You matter. And set your boundaries. If can't nobody understand your boundaries, then leave them where they at. All right, now since I have that down, I want to jump into something a little darker. So we're going to be jumping into the Warrior palette by Juvias Place. I'm going to be jumping into this green right here just to kind of like darken up this green. And this is called Masai, I think. We're going to be jumping into this pretty Cuba. Look at that. Ooh, so pretty. And I'm just going to be putting that right. You can tap your finger if it's too much. And I'm going to put that right here. So now I'm going to jump into Chaga. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Oh, those colors blend together is nice. Who you talking to? So now we're going to jump in on the other eye, and I'm just going to do the other eye real quick. So now since I have my eyes done, we are going to jump in with concealer because we got to conceal this face, baby girl. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty in the color 440. Then I'm going to take the Shape Tape and I'm just going to put a little bit right here. And of course, we're going to take that Real Technique Beauty Blender and we're going to blend this thing all out real quick. You figure what I'm saying? Okay, all right, let me get it going, okay? We're going to hurry up and jump into baking. I'm going to be going into my Black Radiance. Y'all already know. Don't even act like y'all don't know. Now we're going to be jumping into the NYX 3-Step Sculpt. And I'm taking my E4 by Morphe and I'm just going to... So now since I got that down, boo, we're going to jump back into these eyes real quick because I don't want no fallout because I do my face. So for under eye, we're going to jump right back into Sand. That Tootsie, take a little bit of that and blend that out under it just to give it a nice good blend. And now since I have that down, I'm going to jump into that Conjure and I'm just going to line that under my eye. Then I'm just going to take a regular black eyeliner pencil and just line my waterline. Dusting it off, boo. Dusting it off. my boo. All right, my boo, so as you can see, I got my little lashes on. So now we're going to jump into lips. So I'm going to be doing something different today. I'm going to be using my cream contour, and I'm going to be taking the darkest shade and lining my lips. I've seen people do this, so I just wanted to see how it works and try something new today. You know what I'm saying? And after that, guys, I'm going to be jumping into my NYX lingerie. Y'all know this is one of my faves. Okay, and I'm going to just keep it real cute. I'm not going to be doing too much. So for blush, you know, y'all know, like, come on, stop acting like y'all don't know. Stop acting like y'all don't know what I be using. Yes, we going right into this Blushing Rose by e.l.f. I'm hooked on this. I can buy another one, but I'm feeling this one, you know. Got a nice little shimmer to it, you know what I'm saying. I want to highlight my brow bone. And I'm going to go right into Cobra. And then I'm going to take that e.l.f. Soothing Mist spray. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys got some cool tips from this look. If you did, make sure you guys comment down below. Don't forget, boo, to subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell button, because you do not want to miss what I got coming for you, okay? So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I had so much fun, and I will see you in my next video, boo. Mwah. Peace.